What if I told you that some people are making money online using only their phone and an internet connection? No office, no boss, and no special degree required. In this video, I'll share 7 simple and realistic ways beginners can start making money online in 2026. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last method is one of the easiest to start today. Welcome to JeffTube Finance, the channel where we talk about money, online income, and smart financial growth. If you want to improve your finances and learn legit ways to earn online, consider subscribing. The first way to make money online is freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills online and getting paid for your work. Skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, data entry, and virtual assistants are always in demand. You can start on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. You don't need to be an expert to begin. Many successful freelancers started with basic skills and improved as they gained experience. The second way is online tutoring. If you are good at math, science, English, or any subject, you can teach students online. Platforms like Preply, TutorMe, and Cambly allow you to teach people from different countries. This is a powerful way to earn because knowledge is something no one can take away from you. The third way to make money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You don't need to create your own product. You simply recommend products you trust through YouTube, blogs, or social media. The key to success in affiliate marketing is honesty and consistency. The fourth way is content creation. You can create content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogs and earn money through ads and sponsorships. You don't need expensive equipment to start. Many creators began with just a smartphone and free editing tools. What matters most is providing value and staying consistent. The fifth way to make money online is selling digital products. Digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, and guides. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it many times without extra cost. Even a simple guide that solves one problem can generate steady income. The sixth way is remote jobs. Many companies now hire people to work remotely as customer support agents, data entry assistants, or virtual administrators. Websites like Remote OK and We Work Remotely list legitimate remote job opportunities. Always avoid jobs that ask you to pay money up front. The seventh way to make money online is investing at a beginner level. Investing allows your money to grow over time. This can include stocks, mutual funds, or other assets. It's important to start small, learn first, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Education is your most valuable investment. Making money online is not magic. It requires patience, learning, and consistent effort. Choose one method, focus on it, and improve a little every day. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to JeffTube Finance, and comment below which method you want to try first.